Hello and welcome back to Select All from Greg Adams. I'm Greg Adams, and this is the last video in the series for sending email using SQL Server. So the final thing we have to do is attach it to a schedule, and it's super easy to do. All you have to do is open SQL Server and then expand the SQL Server agent right here. You don't have to expand the jobs folder, but just for the fact to see the jobs in there, expand it. We want to right click on jobs, create new job. And we're going to have to name this job. I would name it something very obvious and specific, and I would try to prefix it something. So most of the time, if this is your own project and there's no other jobs, that which is rare if you're working as a DBA or a SQL developer, there's always going to be jobs in this job folder, and they're going to be named, various things. So to keep track of what you've created, I would prefix it something. Make sure you ask your DBA if it's okay to prefix it with, if you have an idea, or what he suggests to prefix it as. So in this case, we're just going to be obvious and just call it DBA, and we're going to name it, this sends a CSV via email, so email CSV file. Okay, and what we're going to need to do is go ahead and copy this server name right here, and then we're going to go to steps. This is where the actual action takes place. Click new. Step name, execute SSIS package. Now you can name this whatever. You can name it the actual package name. I'm just going to keep it simple. Name it just execute SSIS package. As long as you know what this job does and what it points to, this is all that matters. The type, we're going to choose SQL Server Integration Services package. Keep this the same on the server. Control V. Use Windows authentication, and then we're going to point SQL Server to the package. So we'll go ahead and expand all that. Click on this package. Click OK. And click OK. And then go to Schedules. As you can see, there's nothing here. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to create a schedule, but I'm going to go over briefly what this does. If you've ever used Task Scheduler in Windows or scheduled anything in Windows, this is a very similar window. You just choose a name. So we're going to say daily. I'm going to go ahead and just schedule a job, but I'm just going to show you the proof of concept. Daily email current employee list. And I could come up with a better name, but for the sake of this, we're just going to name it something. Reoccurring event. There's different options here. Most of the time, I would say this reoccurring event, unless specified. We want to, if it's a daily, we're just going to choose daily. As you can see, it has its own options. Once a day, this tells you the time. So once today, so if you look at the current time, the next time it's going to run based on what time zone you're in and when you actually view this video at 12 a.m. So the next run time is at midnight of your current time. So we're just going to leave it at that, and you can start it at today, or you can start it in the future. You can adjust this to whatever you see fit. Just be aware that if you're already in a position where there's other jobs, and there could be like 20 jobs that run, just make sure that you're not, try to avoid the same times as the other one, just in case it overlaps and possibly breaks something. I would just look at the times, or test out maybe 2 a.m. just to make sure that those jobs are not on the same schedule, just in case deadlocks Day logs can suck. You click OK. Click OK. And as you can see, it created our new job. So just to test it, I'm going to say start job at step. It's going to run it. It takes maybe 10 seconds. There we go. If there is an error, it'll say failed and it'll show you the error message. And we'll go back to our email, and there it is. I have the current email. Now if I left it going, now FYI, if you install SQL Server on your laptop, desktop, whatever, and you have it turned off, the schedule won't run because SQL Server instance isn't running. So make sure if you're in an actual professional position, working for someone, it's going to be installed on the server, so you don't have to worry about that. But for our practice sessions, mine is installed on my laptop, so if I turn my laptop off, I won't be getting an email at midnight. But yeah, anyway, we are finished, and I'll be coming up with another series of for things to do, cool things that you can do in SQL and SSIS. If you guys have any suggestions things I can go over, things that I may have never done before, and things I would be interesting to learn, let me know. Comment, make sure you subscribe, and click the little bell. Hope you enjoy the series and stay tuned for more. Thank you.